midterm election coming up in just 34 days, and as always, if you want to vote, you have to be registered. If you've moved since the last election or have not registered, you have until Monday to register to vote. But beware, KXAN's Nancy Wilson tells you what to look out for and how to make sure your voter registration doesn't end up in the hands of identity thieves.
If you want to vote in the November 4th election, there's something you have to do now. Register. There's a lot of people willing to help, but the Better Business Bureau says beware.
Scammers and identity thieves oftentimes will take this opportunity to ask for and get personal information from consumers.
So what are the red flags?
Anybody asking for financial information, anybody asking for personal information, anybody even asking for social security numbers. Those are things that are generally not requested in order to register to vote.
She says be aware about how you are approached.
They certainly will not go door to door. They won't ask you for that personal information. They're not going to send you an email.
The only information requested is the information required by law.
And that would be the person's given name, their residence address, their mailing address if it's different from the residence address, their birth date, last 4 digits of Social Security or driver's license number. And the voter needs to check the box that says I'm a U.S. citizen. And they have to sign and date it.
Morton says if you have a registration form that is blue like this one and you haven't moved since the last election, you're good to go. Otherwise, you've got 5 days to register if you want to exercise your right to vote in the November 2nd election. Nancy Wilson, KXAN Austin News.
Now, if you would like to double check to see if you are registered to vote, you can do that online through the Travis County Tax Assessor's Office and through the Secretary of State's office as well. We have links to both sites on ours, KXAN.com, as well as a list of where you can pick up voter registration forms and where you can get those forms online, too. Remember the deadline, Monday, October 4th.